Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Vonte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm starting to realize that I need to add more into my videos. Like, usually in my videos, I'm only doing one thing. So, you know, especially if it's a vlog and it's Vlogmas, I need to be doing more than one thing in the video. You know what I'm saying? So, that's what I'm gonna start doing. But see, the dilemma is I'm trying to upload every day. In the process of uploading every day, I gotta film a video, edit it quickly, render it, upload it, make a thumbnail, and you know what I'm saying, trying to get all that done in one day and trying to film more than one thing per day. That's a lot of fucking work, but y'all see how real the grind is, man, and I ain't gonna make no excuses. I'm just gonna try to bring y'all the best content I can bring y'all. And like I said, man, I know y'all don't want to see me just do one thing in the video. Y'all want to see me do a couple different things. See me go here, do this, do that. So, you know, that's what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to switch it up for y'all and start bringing y'all more entertaining content, man, because that's the whole purpose of, you know, the channel and the content that I'm bringing. I want my content to be entertaining for y'all. I want y'all to really enjoy the videos when y'all watching it and not just watch a video of me just doing one thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna just be trying to do some different stuff, just at least add some more elements to the video, you know what I'm saying? Especially now without the drone, and you know, the drone being down and crashed, so I can't bring y'all that element, you know what I'm saying? So it just you know, it's a lot going on, but I'm gonna make sure that I bring these videos to y'all, and I'm gonna make sure that I bring y'all entertaining content, you know what I'm saying, that y'all want to see and that y'all can enjoy. Yeah, man, that's what my mindset is right now. I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all for a minute, just let y'all know where my head was at as far as these videos. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, if this was the summertime, bro, I would be doing way, I would be going way harder, bro. And you know what I'm saying, because in the summertime I could literally film 3 videos in one day. Like I could film 3-4 videos in one day, and then, you know, I'll be ready to edit. I'll have at least one video edited that night, so I got 3 more videos already ready to go, and then the next day I'm filming 3 more videos. So it's like, in the summertime it'd be way more you know, I'll be way more productive, but I can't use that as no excuse, man. I gotta be the same. I gotta have the same level of productivity through any season, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta just adjust and just find different ways that I can, you know what I'm saying, make more content right now and make sure it's entertaining for y'all to watch, and just, you know what I'm saying? So that's what's going on, you know, right now. Hopefully I didn't talk to y'all too much. I probably did. This shit probably been 10 minutes, but right now, man, I'm in a line for Starbucks, you know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting to get some Starbucks, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get the same shit, the caramel macchiato and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get something a little different today. Actually, I'm gonna just see what type of teas they got, you know what I'm saying? Cause I be on the tea vibe, you know what I'm saying? I love tea, I love green tea, and just all type of teas. So I'm gonna see what type of teas they got up in here, you know what I'm saying? Get some good honey in that thing, if they got it, and you know, make sure we get them hot liquids in our system, you know what I'm saying? Staying hydrated out here in this winter time, but I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I hate the winter time, bro. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. So that's kind of why my whole energy, I ain't gonna say my energy been different, but just I wanna say just my productivity as far as making videos and shit. But I've still been consistent. Don't get it fucked up. I still been consistent, but it's just like, I feel like I could be way more productive in warmer climates, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just more you could do, you know what I'm saying? And especially COVID now too, so it's like, it's getting fucked up all around the board, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna still make this shit happen. I ain't making no excuses. I just want y'all to know the fucking the factors that's playing a part of, you know what I'm saying, my creative process right now. So that's what it is, man. I'm about to give me some Starbucks, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all in a minute, man. Shit, we got the fucking Starbucks in here. I don't know what this is. They don't got no type of identifier on this motherfucker, but it's like a green citrus mint tea. And then I got a blueberry scone in here, you know what I'm saying? So that's my Starbucks order. Hey, Starbucks, give me a deal, man. Let me get a Starbucks menu. Let me get a Starbucks meal, you know what I'm saying? So now, as you can see, the Durango is out and the Impala is in. So I'm officially pretty much done working on the things I wanted to do in the Durango to immediately get it back on the road. And we got the Impala in here now. We're gonna work on this Impala now. So, you know, so actually what I'm gonna do to this Impala, as y'all can see, had a little spot here. We patched that up. That's all good. And we got a little spot right there that we gotta fix. And we got a spot over here that we gotta fix right there too. So once we do that, you know, the Impala will be back A1. I'm gonna take this off, take this chrome off the trunk finally. And also guys, I have to so this Impala needs hub bearings, so I'm gonna end up changing the hub bearings on this car too. So yeah, man. So now we got the Durango out and it's back on the road. We got that Impala in, so we're gonna start working on this Impala. I'm gonna just do some quick minor repairs on this real quick, like I told y'all, and then we're gonna get this out of here and we're gonna bring the charger in. We're gonna start going crazy on the charger, you know what I'm saying? Just doing stuff to it, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is right now. All right, y'all, so now I finally finished up on this Impala. I still got to change the hub bearings, but we're gonna do that later. I'm not really worried about that right now because I'm not gonna be driving this car like that, and I'd rather spend that money to get some mods and stuff that I've got planned for the charger. I'd rather get that knocked out first before I do this, because like I said, I ain't gonna be driving this car like that. But as far as the paint correction and the you know, the dents and the holes that was in there, the little rust out, that's all fixed now. So let me show y'all what it's looking like. So as y'all can see, we had that spot on the top, and now that's taken care of, you know, pretty good. And we had this spot right here at the bottom. You can see it's still a little dent right there. I probably could have did a better job of filling that in, but you know, it looks good for now. It looks better than it did. At least it's not a hole in there. But I could definitely go back in there and patch that little dent up right there, you know. But definitely way better than it was. And then we had this little spot here on the rear wheel. And as y'all can see, we got that all patched up, filled in, and painted. So, looking real clean. Not gonna lie, guys, I didn't do my best work on this job. I mean, it came out pretty good still, but I could have did better. I could have took my time more and really perfected it, but it's cool. I think it looked good. What I'm gonna do is, and what I'm also gonna do for the Durango as well, since I painted on that car too, I have a buffer. So what I'm gonna do is, on the areas that I painted on, I'm gonna buffer them, and I'm gonna buff the whole car so it can blend in better with the rest of the paint. You know what I'm saying? So that'll be another video, and we'll do that. We'll do that later. But for right now, man, this is how it's looking. You know, we had that spot right there, and this filled in, and it's painted nicely. Then, like I said, we had that rust out there, and y'all remember it was a hole. It was a hole about this size there. So we got that filled in, and still got that little dent right there. But I'm not worried about that. That's so easy for me to fix that. Just put another layer of Bondo right there, sand it, paint it. It'll be right. It'll be good as new. But yeah, that's what it's looking like, man. So we got the Impala in here, and it's pretty much finished other than the head bearings. So I think that's it for this video. Stay tuned in because we got some more stuff coming for the Charger. I think that's my next couple projects gonna be on the Charger, but it's still some stuff that I want to go ahead and knock out on the Durango, like that purple and blue pinstripe that's going through it that I told you I want to remove. So I'll probably go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna buff the Durango and buff the Impala, and then we'll get started on the Charger and adding some mods and stuff to the Charger. But man, I got something real big in store for the Charger, man. And like I said, a lot of people been asking me to bring the merch back. You know, I did the merch for one season, got rid of all that stuff, and now I just want to do something different. I don't want to do clothes, man, because everybody doing clothes, so that's so basic to me. So I got some new merch that ain't too many people doing, and everybody gonna copy the wave after I set this shit out. But yeah, so stay tuned in to the video, man. Hit the like button. We just hit 1,200 subscribers today. At 1,500, we doing a giveaway, and it's gonna be multiple winners. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. We only 300 away from the giveaway. So just like that, man, we out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.